आपल्या शैक्षणिक गुणवत्तेला नवी भरारी देणारे श्रीराम ग्रुप ऑफ इन्स्टिट्यूट ऍडमिशन ओपन फॉर 11th and 12th सायन्स अकॅडमी फॉर IIT मेडिकल NDA and other competitive exam. जयदत्त टॉवर, सांगली रोड, इचलकरंजी. Call 9921004600.
Yes, good morning, friends. So, previous day we have seen the trigonometry, some basic concepts of trigonometry, angles, definition of angle, positive angle, negative angle, the systems of measurements of angle, that is degree measure and radian measure, relations between degree measure and radian measure, then how to convert angle from degree to radian and from radian to degree. Next, we have seen some trigonometric ratios, 6 trigonometric ratios, that sin, cos, tan, and cosec, sec, cot. Now, we have seen also some relations between trigonometric ratios. Now, we will see some trigonometric identities. The trigonometric formulas we have learnt in class 10th. So today we will see some trigonometric identities. Yes. So first identity is, you all know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Yes. First identity is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, which gives sin square theta is equal to cos 1 minus cos square theta. 1 minus cos square theta, which also gives cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. Yes, this identity you have learnt in class 10th. What is the first identity? That is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, which gives sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta, or cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. Next, sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Second identity is sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1, which gives, yes, which gives sec square theta is equal to tan square theta plus 1. Yes. And what you get? Second formula is tan square theta is equal to, we get from that, tan square theta is equal to, yes, take that sec square theta that side and this minus, we will get sec square theta minus 1. If minus tan square theta will go to that side and 1 will go to that side, then sec square theta minus 1 and tan square theta minus 1. These two formula we will get from this identity. These two formula we will get from this identity. Third identity is, you know, all you have learned in class 12. Cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. Cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1, which gives cosec square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta. And next is cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta minus 1. This is third identity. Yes, write down it, copy it. So these are the basic identities which you have learnt in class 10th also, and we will learn these identities in class 11th also. So how that identities came, how to derive that identities, that we will learn in class 11th in trigonometry chapter. In 11 there is trigonometry chapter. In that chapter we will discuss about these formulas, how the degree measure came, how the radian measure came, and values of trigonometric angles, and how that ratios came. All we will discuss in trigonometry chapter, which is in your 11th class. So first we will only write down it and read it. We will understand it after in your main syllabus, which will start after some days. Yes, this is some fundamental identities. So you only mug up it, हे पाठ करा फक्त. आपण ज्यावेळी ऍक्च्युअल 11th सिलेबस चालू होईल, ट्रिग्नोमेट्री चॅप्टर त्यात चालू होईल, त्यावेळी हे फॉर्म्युले कसे आले हे त्यात आम्ही एक्सप्लेन करणार. ओके, झालेलं आहे, लिहून घ्या. येस, रब करतो. येस, टेबल तुम्हाला 10वीला झालेला असेल, तो टेबल तुम्ही लिहून काढायचा आहे. टेबल ट्रिग्नोमेट्रीचा जो टेबल आहे, साइन 0, 30, 45, 60, 90, इथपर्यंत तुम्हाला 10वीला टेबल तुमच्या बुक मध्ये असेल, तो तुम्ही लिहून काढायचा आहे. आणि तो टेबल तुम्हाला पाठ पाहिजे. तो पाठ असल्याशिवाय पुढे तुम्हाला समजणार नाही. येस, नाउ वी विल सी सम कंपाऊंड अँगल्स. मी तुम्हाला काही फॉर्म्युले लिहून देतो, पाठ करा. फक्त हे तुम्हाला ऍक्च्युअल ज्यावेळी ट्रिग्नोमेट्री चालू होईल क्लास 11th मध्ये, त्यावेळी ते फॉर्म्युले कसे आले ते सुद्धा आपण डिस्कस करणार आहोत. आता फक्त आपण फॉर्म्युले वाचायचे आणि पाठ करायचे. आता काही आपल्याला समजून घ्यायची गरज नाही, फक्त पाठ करायचे एक्झाम साठी. नंतर ज्यावेळी 11वीत हा चॅप्टर ज्यावेळी मी चालू करेन, त्यावेळी डिटेल मध्ये सांगेन की फॉर्म्युले कसे येतात आणि डिराईव्ह कसे केले जातात. तो फर्स्ट फॉर्म्युला इज sin a plus b. which is equal to sin a cos b, sin a cos b plus cos a sin b, cos a sin b. Second formula, sin a minus b, sin a minus b, which is equal to sin a into cos b minus cos a into sin b. Next is cos a plus b. So sin a sin b minus cos a cos b. सॉरी, उलट झालं. पहिल्यांदा कॉस घ्या. cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Next fourth is cos a minus b. formula is cos A cos B plus sin A into sin B. Next is tan A plus B. Tan A plus tan B upon 1 minus tan A into tan B. Next is 6 tan A minus B, which is equal to tan A minus tan B upon 1 plus tan A tan B. हे मेन 6 फॉर्म्युले आहेत, लिहून घ्या आणि तुम्हाला पाठ पाहिजेत. येस, ओके. सो आपला चॅप्टरची जी थेअरी आहे ती इथं संपलेली आहे. आपण थोडे एक्झाम्पल्स आता बघायचे. या फॉर्म्युल्यावर बेस एक्झाम्पल बघणार आपण. अँगल समजून घेतले त्यावर एक्झाम्पल बघणार. ट्रिग्नोमेट्री समजून घेतले त्यावर थोडे एक्झाम्पल बघणार. आणि हे एक्झाम्पलचे टाईप तुमच्या नेक्स्ट वीकेंड एक्झामला येतील. सो वी विल स्टार्ट सम एक्झाम्पल. हे आता डिग्री आणि रेडियन मेजर मी तुम्हाला सांगितलेलं आहे कसं कसं करायचं. ज्यावेळी आपण डेफिनेशन बघितलेले, मी डायरेक्ट आता ट्रिग्नोमेट्रीचे रेशिओज बघितले त्यावर आपण एक्झाम्पल स्टार्ट करू. ओके. ते डिग्री आणि रेडियन मेजरचे एक्झाम्पल मी आता घेत नाही कारण तुम्हाला फॉर्म्युले सगळे माहित आहेत आणि मी मागच्या लेक्चरमध्ये तुम्हाला समजावून सुद्धा सांगितलेले की कन्वर्ट कसं करायचं असतं. त्यामुळे ते मी त्याचं आता घेणार नाही, पण डायरेक्ट आपण काय करू, ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशिओजवर डायरेक्ट एक्झाम्पल्स चालू करू. येस, example. Example is if if 5 sin theta is equal to 3, then cos theta is equal to. एक्झाम्पल कसं सॉल्व्ह करायचं चेक करा. डायरेक्ट सोल्युशन देतो. ऑप्शन वगैरे तुम्ही एक्झामला आल्यावर तुम्ही सिलेक्ट करा. डायरेक्ट मी सोल्युशन देतो. 5 sin theta बघा कसं कन्वर्ट करणार. 5 गिवन 5 sin theta is equal to 3, which gives sin theta is equal to 3/5. yes, 3/5. मग काय करणार आपण, एक राईट अँगल ट्रायंगल काढला. हा राईट अँगल ट्रायंगल, हा आहे तो थीटा. समजा ए बी आणि सी, बी ला राईट अँगल आहे. आता इथं काय म्हणते, साइन थीटा इज इक्वल टू 3/5. साइन थीटा म्हणजे काय, समोरील बाजू we know that sin theta is equal to opposite side upon hypotenuse. yes, opposite side upon hypotenuse. So opposite side is BC, the hypotenuse is AC. So we know that sin theta is given 3 by 5. 3 by 5. Yes. Then here we get BC is equal to 3 and AC is equal to 5. Yes or no? BC is equal to 3 and AC is equal to 5. Then we have to find what? So here BC is equal to 3 and AC is equal to 5. We have to find the cos theta. So therefore cos theta is equal to what? Adjacent side upon hypotenuse. So we have to find the adjacent side, this AB. So how to find the AB? We know the Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem, yes, what is Pythagoras theorem? If in a right angle triangle, the square of hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the other side square. Okay. So here AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Yes. Now we know that AC is equal to 5. That's for the 5 square. AB आपल्याला काढायचा आहे. AB square plus BC आपल्याला माहित आहे 3 आहे. 3 चा स्क्वेअर. So 25 is equal to AB square plus 9. 9 इकडे घेऊन आलो, मायनस झाले. 25 minus 9 is equal to AB square. So 25 minus 9 is equal to 16. That is AB square is equal to 16. Therefore AB is equal to 4. Yes, AB is equal to 4. Yes. Now what is cos theta? Adjacent side upon hypotenuse. Adjacent side means what? AB and hypotenuse is AC. Therefore AB is what we get 4 and AC is equal to 5. Therefore cos theta is equal to 4 by 5. Yes, simple example आहे. Yes, first of all, what the given 5 sin theta is equal to 3. 5 sin theta is equal to 3 घेऊन आपण काय केलं, sin theta ची व्हॅल्यू काढली. What is that? 3 by 5. Next, sin theta ची डेफिनेशन आपल्याला माहिती आहे, opposite side upon hypotenuse. This is a right angle triangle. So this is theta. The opposite side is 3 and hypotenuse is 5. Now by definition of sin theta we get BC is equal to 3, AC is equal to 5. Yes, but we have to find the cos theta. Therefore what is cos theta? Adjacent side upon hypotenuse. So adjacent side we have to find here. So how can you find adjacent side? So in right angle triangle we use Pythagoras theorem to find the size of the side. So what is Pythagoras theorem? Pythagoras theorem is the hypotenuse square is equal to the sum of other two sides square. Yes, hypotenuse square is equal to sum of other two sides square. So hypotenuse is given, one side is given, we can find out other side. So from here we will get the adjacent side. So adjacent side we get AB is equal to 4. So we put in the formula, we will get cos theta is equal to 4 by 5. Whatever option is there in your question, you can choose. Yes. Next example. Yes, next example क्या? Simple. If 5 sin theta is equal to 3, then tan theta. If 5 sin theta is equal to 3, then tan theta equal to what? सेम मागच्या एक्झाम्पल जसं सॉल्व्ह केलं सेम तसंच करायचं सोल्युशन. सो गिवन 5 sin theta is equal to 3. From that we will get sin theta is equal to 3 by 5. Yes. After that, what we will do, in previous example, we have find the cos theta value. Yes. So we know that sin theta by cos theta is equal to tan theta. We know that sin theta by cos theta is equal to tan theta. Or what is tan theta? Tan theta is opposite side upon adjacent side. So we can find this answer by two types. So whatever you can choose, you can find out the cos theta and divide sin theta by cos theta. Otherwise, you can directly use the formula of tan theta. Yes. I will draw a right angle triangle here. FA, B, and see this is theta. What they have given, that is 3 by 5. Sin theta is equal to, we know that sin theta is equal to opposite side upon hypotenuse, which is equal to opposite side is BC upon AB. So sin theta is 3 by 5. We will get, therefore BC is equal to 3 and AB is equal to 5. So by definition of tan theta, by definition of tan theta, tan theta is equal to what? Opposite side. We will write here BC is equal to 3 and AC is equal to 5. Opposite side upon adjacent side. So we have to find adjacent side here. Same way we have find adjacent side, that is by Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem. Know that AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So AC is 5 square is equal to AB is we have to find plus BC is 3. So 25 is equal to AB square plus 9. So we have to bring that 9 that side. So 25 minus 9 is equal to AB square. So here we will get 16 is equal to AB square, but AB is equal to 4. So by definition of tan theta, this is opposite side upon adjacent side. So opposite side is BC upon adjacent side is AB. So we get BC is equal to, we have 3 and AB is equal to, we have find out, so AB is equal to 4. Therefore by solution we get tan theta is equal to 3 by 4. Wherever the option is correct. Yes, काय काय केलं लक्ष द्या इकडं. सेम 5 sin theta दिलेला आहे इज इक्वल टू 3. देन आपल्याला फाइंड आउट करायचं आहे tan theta. दिलेलं काय 5 sin theta. Therefore sin theta इज इक्वल टू काय येणार 3 by 5. सो sin theta बाय डेफिनेशन ऑफ sin theta आपल्याला माहिती आहे की sin theta म्हणजे काय अपोजिट साइड अपॉन हायपोटेन्यूज. So in figure opposite side is BC and hypotenuse is AC. So BC is equal to 3, AC is equal to 5. BC is equal to 3, AC. Here is AC. Yes, BC is equal to 3 and AC is equal to 5. Yes. So by definition of tan theta, आपल्याला फाइंड आउट tan theta करायचं आहे. tan theta ची डेफिनेशन काय आहे? अपोजिट साइड अपॉन ऍडजसंट साइड. आपल्याला ऍडजसंट साइड फाइंड आउट करायची. ऍडजसंट साइड म्हणजे AB. आता हा राईट अँगल ट्रायंगल आहे, त्यामुळे आपण वापरणार पायथागोरस थेरम. पायथागोरस थेरम मध्ये कर्णाच्या बाजूचा वर्ग हा बाकीच्या दोन बाजूंच्या वर्गाच्या बेरजे इतका असतो. कर्ण आहे 5. आपल्याला AB ची व्हॅल्यू डायरेक्ट 4 मिळते. मग आपण डायरेक्ट फॉर्म्युला सुद्धा पुट करू शकतो. पण दुसरे मेथड काय आहे की tan थिटा इज इक्वल टू आपल्याला काय माहित आहे? tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. So सॉल्विंग केल्यावर आपल्याला sin theta ची व्हॅल्यू माहित आहे 3/5 आहे. आणि अपॉन cos theta ची व्हॅल्यू काय येणार? cos theta ची व्हॅल्यू येते, cos theta म्हणजे काय? लगतची बाजू अपॉन कर्ण म्हणजे काय येणार? 4/5 येणार. हे 5 एकमेकाला कॅन्सल होणार. हे काय येणार? 3/4. हे आहे दुसरी मेथड. हे आहे पहिली मेथड जी की आपण डायरेक्ट डेफिनेशन वापरून सॉल्व्ह केली. आणि दुसरी मेथड काय आहे? फॉर्म्युला वापरून, जी आहे tan theta इज इक्वल टू sin theta बाय cos theta. म्हणजे sin theta तुम्हाला दिलेला आहे, cos theta फाइंड आउट करा. डायरेक्ट sin theta बाय cos theta जर काढला तर तुम्हाला tan theta ची व्हॅल्यू सेम मिळणार 3/4. इथं पण आपल्याला सेम मिळालं 3/4. ओके, इथपर्यंत समजलंय? रब करतो, लिहून घ्या, स्क्रीनशॉट घ्या. Yes, next example is in the triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, angle B is a 90 degree. AB is equal to 4 centimeter. BC is equal to 3 centimeter. BC is equal to 3 centimeter. Then sin A is equal to, then sin A is equal to what? So we have to find the value of sin A here. So they have given angle B is equal to 90. Means angle B is equal to 90 दिलेला आहे. Yes, म्हणजे राईट अँगल ट्रायंगल आहे. म्हणजे हा झाला हायपोटेन्यूज. नेक्स्ट काय दिलंय? तर समजा मी याला A पॉइंट दिला, B आहे, आणि याला C पॉइंट दिला, तर हे काय म्हणतंय? AB is equal to 4 centimeter and BC is equal to 3 centimeter. So what is sin A? So by definition of sin A, sin A म्हणजे आपल्याला अँगल कुठे आहे? ज्यावेळी थिटा घेतो त्यावेळी थिटा घेत होतो, पण इथं sin A ला अँगल दिलेला आहे, त्यामुळे A अँगल घेणार आपण. ओके, त्यामुळं sin A ची व्हॅल्यू काय येणार? अँगल A च्या समोरील बाजू म्हणजे अपोजिट साइड आणि हायपोटेन्यूज. So what is that? Opposite side is BC upon hypotenuse is AC. But we know the value of BC, but we have to find the value of AC. So here is right angle triangle. Therefore, by Pythagoras theorem, same answer is there. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Yes. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Yes. Yes or no? Yes. So here we have to find the AC. Therefore, AB is equal to given, that is 4 centimeter the square. BC is equal to 3 square. So 16 plus 9 is equal to 25. That is AB square is equal to 25. Therefore, AB is equal to 5 centimeter. Yes. What? Therefore, not AB, it is AC. Yes. So therefore, BC is equal to, we have given that 3 centimeter, and AC we have find out that is 5 centimeter. Therefore, sin theta is equal to BC by AC, which is equal to 3 by 5. So that is the answer. Yes. Write down that. Copy that. Yes. Find out. Next, we'll serve some other types of examples. Yes, write down. Yes, sin 60 degree plus cos 30 degree. Sin 60 degree plus cos 30 degree. So for these types of example, we should know about the trigonometric tables. Yes. So what is sin 60? It is root 3 by 2. Yes or no? I will write here on table. Yes, write down the table. First is 0 degree. Next is pi by 6, means what? 30 degree. Pi by 6, which is equal to 30 degree. Next is pi by 4, which is equal to 45 degrees. Next is pi by 3, which is equal to 60 degrees. And next is pi by 2 is equal to 90 degrees. Values are sufficient for you. So 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0. Next is 1 by 2, root 3 by 2, 1 by root 3. Next is root 3 by 2, 1 by 2, and root 3. Next is 1 0 not defined. And next is, sorry, pi by 3 is different. So 90 is 1 0 not defined. Pi by 3 is root 3 1 by 2, root 3 by 2, 1 by 2, and root 3. So these values are wrong. Write it correct. 45 degree mistake. So it is 45 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2, and this is 1. Yes, you have all studied this table in class 10th. Write down it, take a screenshot, write down in a notebook. These are very, very essential formulae to remember this formula in a situation. So 60 means what? Pi by 3 here. So sine 60 is what? Root 3 by 2 plus cos 30 is what? Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Yes, what we get? Root 3 plus root 3 by 2. So it is root 3 plus root 3 or 2 root 3 by 2. This 2 cancel, we will get root 3. Yes, correct. So sine 60 plus cos 30 is equal to root 3. That's very simple examples we will see here. I'll rub this. Next is cos pi by 3 plus tan pi by 4. Cos pi by 3 plus tan pi by 4. So we have table. See that cos pi by 3, what is the value of cos pi by 3? Is 1 by 2 plus what is tan pi by 4? That's tan 45 is equal to 1. So we will get, what is this? By doing cross multiplication, we will get 1 plus 2 upon 2, that is 3 by 2. Yes, therefore, what is the value of cos pi by 3 plus tan pi by 4 is equal to 3 by 2. Yes, next example. Next example. Yes, sec square 45 minus tan square 45. Sec square 45 degree minus tan square 45 degree. So we don't need formulae for these types of example because this is an trigonometric identity. Therefore, we know that sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. So here theta is equal to 45 degree. Therefore, sec square 45 degree minus tan square 45 degree is equal to 1. So what is the answer? The answer is 1. Yes, simple example. Yes, next is next example is 2 sin 30 into cos 30. 2 sin 30 degree into cos 30 degree. Yes, simple. 2 into what is sin 30? The sin 30 is here. Sin 30 is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into what is cos 30? This cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So here we will get 2 root 3 upon 4, which is equal to 2 ones are 2 twos are, that is root 3 by 2. So 2 sin 30 into cos 30 is equal to root 3 by 2. Yes, very simple example. If theta is equal to 30 degree, if theta is equal to 30 degree, then 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta equal to what? We have to find it. Therefore, 1 minus tan square 30 degree upon 1 plus tan square 30 degree. So here 1 minus tan 30 is what? Tan 30 is what? Root 1 by root 3. So 1 by root 3 and that square upon 1 plus 1 by root 3 square. So we'll get 1 minus 1 by 3 upon 1 plus 1 by 3. So after solving, we will get here 3 minus 1 upon 3, and that is 3 plus 1 upon 3. 3 get cancelled. 2 by 4 will get 1 by 2. Yes, very, very simple example. Write down it. Take a screenshot. Yes. So these types of examples will come into your weekend exam syllabus also. So practice that type of examples. Now I will stop lecture here. Thank you.